Yo, it's Eric D. Back at it once again. I finally got time to work on the mini bike, and man, it's been hectic out here. But I just wanted to show y'all. I got a new seat. It's a cafe racer style seat, and it came with some brackets. Of course, they don't fit. So what I'm gonna do is just ream out the holes a little bit, and so it'd be a little more adjustment in it, and a new hole in it so I can mount it on the bottom of the seat so it kind of fits in between the frame. So like I said, we're gonna cut the slots out a little bit bigger, and then use a bigger washer. That way you can kind of adjust the seat back and forth. And I got a new exhaust. I'm gonna try to put that on today, and I was gonna try to do some of the fuel line plumbing today too. So we're gonna jump right on in there and try to get these brackets on the seat first. Then we'll just kind of drill a hole in the middle here. That way I can flip the brackets around and it just kind of goes into the existing hole underneath the seat. That way brackets are fitted between the frame. And I gotta cut a new piece of metal to make a bracket for the front of the seat. Probably about an 8-inch piece of flat steel here. Just cut it like so. I kind of marked the frame already where the front of the seat will be. So just clean up metal here, so we have a clean spot to weld on the new bracket. Couple clamps on there, and it won't move on me. Put a couple beads on both sides, don't go nowhere. And now we just have to drill a hole dead center. Get a nut bolt in the front of the seat. This is a little clamp I was telling you. It fits right underneath the bracket. Luckily it has some adjustment to it. So because it was kind of tight, and I could just push it back, clamp back a little bit. That way it fits underneath the bracket a little better. And that lines up pretty nice. I'm just gonna bolt it down. And this is the bracket underneath the front. And you can see I have a real big washer underneath. And that'll grab the U shape of the bracket or the little clamp underneath. That way all you gotta do is just loosen it up and it'll slide right out when you wanna get rid of the seat. And we just go underneath here and tighten up a couple bolts. I pre-drilled a couple of holes in the side of the frame, and we'll just tighten those up a little bit, just until we get it ready for paint, and we'll be tearing it all back down again. Came out pretty nice. Pretty happy the way it looks. Gives it kind of that sleek cafe racer look to it. I'm digging it. Alright, now we can install the new header exhaust pipe, and it's just two 12s that hold on the old ugly box exhaust on these Predators. And I got a new what they call this is an under seat exhaust header, and I got it from OMB Warehouse. And I'm just gonna put some high temp gasket sealer around it first before I bolt it on there. Yeah, it's probably about 40-something bucks at OMB, but I think it's worth it because I could put a trumpet on the end of it if I want to, maybe extend out even a little further. But I like how it comes underneath the seat and kind of points out the back, so that's kind of cool. I was gonna make one, but shoot, why make it when you know, it's already available and save you a whole lot of time. So that worked out kind of nice. I like it. Alright, now I wanted to show y'all the motor plate I got from Go Power Sports. Nice plate. It's originally made for the new linkage, throttle linkage for the Predator, but you don't need it, especially if you're running the Mikuni carburetor. So it works out real nice. But the great thing about it is the fuel pump fits right on the existing holes on the motor plate. So that's awesome, man. Save you a whole lot of time. All you gotta do is bolt it down. I don't know if that's by design or luck or whatever, but it worked out nice. Okay, on the pump, this line is for your vacuum or your pulse, and this one is the intake coming from your fuel tank. And then on the bottom, you see this one is goes right to the carburetor. You know, once you figure that out, it's pretty easy. And like I said, it fits right on the motor plate, so no drilling on holes or anything like that. All you need is some bolts and nut. And I'll show y'all how to plumb this bad boy up. Okay, the vacuum in the post line, I'm going to run from the governor hole. I don't know if y'all saw a couple videos ago, I did one on the governor, but this is the governor hole right here. And I just used a tap and die bit, a 1/8 bit to drill some threads into that hole. And we'll just screw our NPT valve on there, 1/8 valve, and I'll put a little bit of pipe tape on there so it doesn't leak. And then I got some fuel line, some 1/4 fuel line, and I'll connect that underneath the gas tank. And of course, I got the fuel filter, which is nice. Make sure you're running some clean fuel through your system, and that way you kind of see it go through too. Make sure it stays clean. And I got the fuel line from Amazon too. So like, one thing I like about Amazon, you get it real quick, you know, almost next day. And I just hooked the fuel line up to the intake on the fuel pump, like so. I need a couple more adjustable clamps. I think I'm running low on them, but I just hook it right on to the governor hole. Then hook the other end up to the vacuum line. And we'll come around to the other side. I pre-cut 2 more pieces right here, and I got my fuel cutoff valve. I'm gonna just kind of attach in the middle of the line. So we put the hose onto this carburetor end of the hose, and these kind of ring clamps like this suck, so I'm gonna get some more of the adjustable kind of clamps, and we'll just kind of put the fuel cutoff right in the middle here, and we'll attach the other end to the intake on the carburetor fuel end, and that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna wire tie, zip tie lines on there so they don't move around, and it's pretty easy, man. So it's pretty clean, and like I said, we'll get some zip ties and maybe hold a couple of them down, but all in all, it's pretty good and it ain't going nowhere. Little test fit action right here, and she's looking good. Start this bad boy up next time. So like I said, it's pretty easy, so check it out and see what you think. So there you have it. Next time we're going to get the chain dialed in. Chain tensioner and the axle and sprocket dialed in, and also the hydraulic brakes, and maybe we'll add some gussets on this thing too, make it pop a little bit. But I appreciate all the new subscribers, man, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.